This could be the end of paying for MidJourney. Meta AI has now teamed up with MidJourney, making it possible to generate highly realistic cinematic style images for free with no usage limits directly inside Meta AI. No subscription, no limits. In this video, I will explain the entire process step by step and show you how those images can be transformed into videos. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and typing in Meta AI. When the page loads, you'll be taken to the Meta AI workspace. The design is simple, modern, and focused on creativity. To start generating MidJourney style images and videos, click on the login option. You can sign in either with your email address or through your Facebook account. Both options work the same way. After logging in, look towards the left side of the screen. You'll find three main sections: New Chat, Vibe, and Create. When you open Vibes, you'll see content made by other users, including both images and videos. This area serves as a shared gallery where creators showcase their work, giving you ideas and inspiration. Once you're ready to make your own content, move over and click on Create. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a text field. This is where you type the prompt. That tells Meta AI what kind of image to generate. The key here is detail. Clear and descriptive prompts lead to more realistic and cinematic outputs. Below the prompt field, there is a setting labeled image with a drop-down arrow. Click on it and you'll be presented with two options: image and video. Select image. Next, select an aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16:9 aspect ratio. After that, adjust the sliders for variety, weirdness, and stylization. Once everything is adjusted to your liking, click send and Meta AI will generate the result in just few seconds. The final image closely resembles a MidJourney generation. Can you see how beautiful this is? Normally, achieving this level of quality with MidJourney requires a paid subscription, but with Meta AI, you can now generate similar results for free without limit due to this new partnership. To animate your image, simply click on Animate and Meta AI turns your image to video. Another way you can do this is to click on the plus sign, import the picture you want to turn into a video, then change the image section to video. Also write an animation prompt telling Meta AI how you want your image to move or be animated. Click on Animate. And Meta AI generates a video for you, not automatically, but based on the prompt you gave it. For more creativity, you can restyle your images and your videos using any of these options and click on Animate and your video is ready. Now you've learned how to generate MidJourney images using Meta AI for free. Give this video a like, also share this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more tips like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.